Dipti, and she having her grand birthday celebration. It's the utmost spectacular evening. At first, let me congratulate the girl with the golden heart, but today, she's all gold. She's here to win your hearts. World, watch out. This year belongs to the one and only Diva Dipti. Hey Dips, love you so much.
Thank you. I love you, Simran. Thank you so much for this love, and I'm really grateful that you have been a part, and everybody who's come. It's only because of you. I think it just makes everything so golden, spectacular, and special. So I am very, very humbled, and special thanks to my hospitality partner, Knox, where we've done the soft launch of Knox tonight at the Westin Powai, one of the most stunning Lakeview lounge. You must come here, guys. Thank you so much.
अरे अभी तो ये शुरुआत है. This is just the beginning of romance. Hey guys, what are you waiting for? This is a very, very special moment as I look forward to celebrating nice Valentines, and at the same time actually looking forward to getting a hooked with someone and shaking a leg with them. So this is a very, very special moment as she looks the most stunning tonight. But as I said, this year belongs to her. Tonight is some good luck. You know, all the fairies are around, all the angels are around, just blessing her. And that guiding light, the white light, which has already entered her heart and soul. So completely soulful is Dips here tonight, and it's a new beginning, a new life for all together. So अभी इसकी engagement सब कुछ बाकी है अभी. Dating period चालू होगा अभी. Engagement मत करना जल्दी, पहले date करना, enjoy करना लाइफ.
Thank you, Simran. So, Fayaz ji, the answer is, I think जब आप अंदर से खूबसूरत होते हो, I think सब कुछ खूबसूरत लगता है. It's very important to be a good human being, I think. And then I think you're just flawless. So, I think let's all do our best for the community and the world we are living in. Let's encourage, inspire, and motivate each other. Because I think that's what I always believe in doing. And I have been doing, and I think that's the glow of Fayaz ji, your answer.
And that's why her group's name is Unite.
Yes, yes. We have Simran Ahuja, we have Nandita Puri ji, we have Sara Arfeen Khan, we have Divya Agrawal, Munisha Khatwani ji, Rishikesh Pandey, Smriti Khanna. We are missing Shibani Kashyap because she's stuck in Dubai. And a lot of our friends, Rohit Verma couldn't make it because he is in Calcutta. So yeah, a lot of friends have come. Thank you so much. Next, very big fashion event. An international fashion event. It will be happening in August. Thank you.
So, Deepti is really inspirational, काफ़ी inspirational woman है और I like the fact that हम recently मिले हैं, but she's doing incredible things and I think उनका birthday celebrate होना चाहिए, right? Thank you so much.
So, it was fabulous, बहुत अच्छा लगा. First of all, I want to wish Deepti to fabulous 40th. अभी नई जर्नी शुरू हुई है. नया दौर शुरू हो गया है. She has to rock in her life and we always behind her and we always praise her. Happy birthday Deepti. Love you.
Hello first of all. Times today I am enjoying to the best of my core. बहुत enjoy कर रहे हैं हम. And enjoy करने का time है क्योंकि दीप्ति का 40th birthday है. I mean ये वो औरत है जिसने इतने औरत को, इतने लोगों को, इतने वुमेन्स को आगे बढ़ाया. शी इज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड आई नो कि दीप्ति की इतनी सारी काम इतने लोगों को बेनिफिट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि शी हैज अ कम्युनिटी कॉल यूनाइट कम्युनिटी एंड उसके थ्रू कितने लोगों की मदद होती है, कितने लोगों को आगे बढ़ाया जाता है एंड एवरीथिंग दैट शी डज, इवन अ स्मॉल जेस्चर शी डज, शी ऑलवेज एम्स अपॉन डूइंग समथिंग बेटर एंड कॉजिंग अ चेंज to the world. And I would just say she is my sister and I feel so happy to be here. It's her 40th, unka 40th birthday hai, and it's so special for me and so special for her, and want her to keep doing whatever she does and keep causing the change that she is bringing. And definitely through Unite community we are bringing, things, we are actually making things better in the world. Thank you so much, Times today.
Coming in, this is the lady. Dipti is the lady with the gold heart. but it beats with the kindness. And she also wears so many hats. Like she's doing so many things with an elan, with style and with grace. I love her grace, I love her love, and I love her kindness. And the way she unites people is incredible. That's why her community is called Unite Community. So love you, Dipti. Love you from the bottom of my heart and wish you. लाइट चलाई आपका विश बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया उसने इतने अच्छे वेन्यू पे अपना बर्थडे किया और ऑफ कोर्स उसके माइलस्टोन बर्थडे के सेलिब्रेशंस पे उसने मुझे अपना हिस्सा बनाया आई एम सो 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 हैप्पी थैंक यू दीप्ति बहुत अच्छी जर्नी रही बिकॉज शी इज सच अ लवली पर्सन शी इज सच अ वार्म हार्टेड काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन सो ऑफ कोर्स जब उसने बुलाया तो हम वर्सोवा से ऑल द वे पवई आए हैं खास उसका बर्थडे मनाने के लिए अगर वो इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती तो मैं बिल्कुल थैंक यू
जन्मदिन पे आ गई वही बड़ी बात है क्योंकि मैं अभी बस हैदराबाद से लैंड करी हूँ और सुबह मेरी फ्लाइट है जापान की बट दीप्ति इतनी अच्छी और इतनी वार्म और हॉस्पिटेबल है एंड आई थिंक उसके लिए आना बनता था और 40 तो बहुत बड़ी बात है मैं उसको वही बोलती हूँ कि इतनी मैं तो 40 को बहुत कम उम्र मानती हूँ कितनी कम उम्र में शी इज अचीव सो मच एंड इनफैक्ट कुछ लास्ट के कुछ सालों में उसने इतना कुछ अचीव किया सो आई ऑलवेज विश हर द बेस्ट
Dipti is a gem of a person. Like we know each other from last 5 years, but she's beautiful inside out. Birthday pe she's turning 40, but she's quite naughty. That's it. But we all love her. She's an amazing person. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mandita and a very happy birthday to Dipti and she has been an amazing human being and wish you lots of love and luck. Love you.
Is my very dear friend and I have known her since few years and I feel that Dipti is a multitasking queen, a boss lady who's multitasking a lot of and juggling a lot of roles, a mother, a businesswoman, and she has been successful in everything what she does with her strength, with her hard work and dedication. She has reached to new heights and I wish her good luck, happiness, peace and good health for always and forever. Dipti, keep rocking always. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छे से enjoy कर रही है and I wish her the best for her coming decade. May her 40th be the best decade ever and may she reaches the heights that she never imagined financially, personally and a lot of travel and shopping for her.
Hi, I'm Shrima Rai, content creator, and Deepti's birthday party tonight was so much fun. I'm wishing her all the best. She's such a positive person and someone I've known for a while now. And yeah, had an amazing time.
I've known Deepti Diva बहुत साल से और हम हमेशा उनके सब इवेंट्स में जाती हूँ और आज कुछ स्पेशल है क्योंकि ये इनका 40th बर्थडे इट्स अ माइलस्टोन बर्थडे और दीप्ति जी बहुत ही एक नेक इंसान है एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ हर एंड वो जो भी वेंचर करते हैं आई विश हर ऑल द लक इन अ फ्यूचर एंडेवर्स एंड मे 40th बर्थडे ब्रिंग हर लॉट्स ऑफ लव लक एंड हैप्पीनेस
आज का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा
आज तो बहुत अच्छा लगा फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम कमिंग टू दिस वंडरफुल लाउंज कॉल्ड नॉक्स एट द वेस्टर्न मैरियट पोवाई और एक तो हम शायद 6:30 बजे तक करीब आए और द व्यू वाज ब्रेथ टेकिंग फ्रॉम द 36th फ्लोर उसके बाद जो यू नो द ड्रिंक्स एंड द स्नैक्स एंड द म्यूजिक we all enjoyed and so many friends together to celebrate a wonderful person and lovely. Thank you.
A very, very happy birthday to Dipti. May God bless you with a lot of happiness and a lot of success in future. And it's a lovely place, Knox. Had great fun, lovely ambience, great food, good party with amazing people. We met a lot of new people and yeah, all together great fun. We had a blast. Thank you.
Dipti, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, sweetheart. आप दीवा हो और हमेशा दीवा ही रहने वाले हो. And today you're looking very, very pretty in your golden dress. And I'll wish you all the best for your life. Always shine, always smile, and be the person you are. Love you.
enjoy किया. दीप्ति एक बहुत ही dear friend है मेरी and she's a wonderful human being. Venue बहुत अच्छा है, menu बहुत अच्छा था, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. Really enjoyed her birthday party.
कैसा रहा कनेक्शन आपका उनके साथ इतनी जर्नी आपने?
मैं दीप्ति को ऑलमोस्ट अभी 5 years से जानती हूँ एंड आई मेट हर एज अ सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर बिकॉज यू नो शी डज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स बट अब मुझे लगता है कि शी इज मोर ऑफ अ फ्रेंड नाउ सो यस गॉड ब्लेस हर हैप्पी बर्थडे दीप्ति थैंक यू
इतना मैग्निफिसेंट सेलिब्रेशन सो मैं दीवा दीप्ति से ये कहना चाहूंगी truly are a diva and this is such a diva-licious celebration so I'd like to congratulate you on your 40th very special innings that you have wishing you a beautiful future life ahead and the same time you're the one who always shines bright and makes others shine so thank you Dips for all the love and we all love you पागलपन से बहुत ही मोहब्बत करते हैं आपसे keep shining and big hugs to you and I'll always be there for you just a call away and I'm always there with you so lots of love keep shining girl I think this year belongs to you
Dipti herself is a wish for everyone and I wish Dipti happy birthday. She's an amazing soul, amazing friend and God bless her with good health and long life. That's all. Thank you.
I wish her all the best. उनका big 40th birthday है जैसे इन्होंने लिखा है 40th milestone होता है so of course I wish her all the luck and although मैं आज बीमार थी नहीं आने वाली थी but I just thought that I have to make an effort because birthday एक ऐसी चीज़ है जब मेरा birthday होता है I expect everyone to come for me तो मुझे भी वो ही reciprocate करना पड़ता है so I wish her all the best. Yeah, thank you.
सारी बधाइयाँ देना चाहूँगा कि she's looking so pretty with a daughter almost the same. So उनको सारी well wishes from my side, all the very best, whatever she's doing and good health. That's the most important thing. मैं चाहता हूँ कि whatever she's doing, just keep rocking like this, the way she is, and it's a lovely place, and we are all enjoying.
They है दीप्तिका and she's a dear friend. I know her since a very very long time. और birthday है तो आना तो था ही, and she is just fabulous. And I wish her all the best, and I always wish her good wishes for her birthday. Thank you.
उनको wish करेंगे happy birthday and we should live a long and beautiful and healthy life. She's a very sweetheart, she's a very sweet friend of mine and she's one of those people जो नहीं जिसको phone करके बोले अरे दीप्ति यार you know what this is and she's like हाँ so she'll come out with a solution. So you need people like that who come up with solution, the gossip ones and okay solution ones. So she's sweet and I wish her all the best and may she have a great life.